Dude, this game's already so sad. It's why it's hard for me to get to these games, because I play them, I'm so sad. It just makes me so sad. My favorite genre is power of friendship and found family. Those are my favorite things in games. Those birds that I hate. Come here, birds. Yay! I'm gonna kill the thing if I hit the bird! This bird that I hate! This bird that I hate! There's so many birds everywhere. Everywhere I go, every bird I see, all the birds I hate, all the birds I hate, all the birds I hate. Get away from me. Ah! I hate birds! I hate every single bird! These birds that I hate! Come here, birds. Why are these birds avoiding me? What does this bug want from me? Give me your rocks! Who are they? Do they have consciousness? Like, you know, I get the tiny bugs and I get the birds, but what about the bugs that are the same size as me? I feel bad for them. I'm just hurting them. Just a bird away from me. If they bleed, they must feel hurt. I don't want to hurt them. They did nothing wrong. The birds did everything wrong, though. Don't listen. Popo knows what I'm talking about. Popo also hates birds in video games. Birds in video games are evil. They know what they're doing. Evil things. Attacked by birds as a kid? No. Though I do have a fear of birds. Mild fear. But not like a fear of birds, but I have a fear of birds flying overhead and just like taking a big old dump on you as it flies overhead. I get really scared of them. I'm okay with seeing them though, but I don't like seeing them flying overhead. Yeah, I have never been pooped on by a bird, and I would like to keep it that way. But I remember really long ago that my friend was pooped on by a bird in front of me, like during school, and that's kind of miserable, you know? You wake up 8 a.m., forced to go to school, and then you get pooped on by a bird in the middle of the school day. What are you supposed to do? You just like take the biggest L of your life. Didn't happen to me, but I watched it happen. Another bird that I hate. Yeah, top 5 most hated birds. No. Mume, Narissa, and Kiara are not flying enemies.